Welcome to my channel, everybody. My name is Phoenix, and I wanted to make this short video on how to add a video command to your stream. Basically, when your chat enters a command, it shows a cool little video clip. It makes your stream unique, makes it stand out. It's a cute little feature to have, and I looked on YouTube for videos on how to do this, and there was no real videos on how to set up the bot and how to get the videos up and running. So I just wanted to make this video to help you guys out. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more content. And I'm also a Twitch streamer. I stream Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link is in the description. Let's get into the video. So I will leave the link to this website in the description. What you want to do is you want to go to Mixitup website, and you just want to download the bot. Now you just press the download button and then you just go through the installation. You install it and you sign into your Twitch. Okay, it's gonna ask you to sign into your platform. You sign into whatever platform you use, whether it be Twitch, Facebook, whatever. So I'm not sure if it actually has Facebook. I think it's Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer. So when you sign in, you basically open up the app. So you will see this login. You're gonna log into your Twitch, then you log in as a streamer. See, it says streamer or moderator. You're the streamer, so you log in here. Then you're gonna be open up to this window. So what you want to do first of all is you go to settings and you want to go to overlays. This is where you're gonna find the source code, the source URL, I'm sorry, to put into your streaming software, whether it be Streamlabs or OBS or Stream Elements, whatever you use. So you want to copy this and you want to pull up your streaming software, which mine is Streamlabs OBS, and you want to create a browser source, right? And you want to add, and you name it whatever you want to name it, and we're gonna just name ours love, okay, because this is gonna be something to show my just a cute little clip to say I love you guys to my chat. So you want to go here to the URL and you want to Control V, paste it, and done. And that will be your, actually no, you're not done. In the width you would want to put 1920, and height you want to put 1080, right? And done. And you would want to just resize this. Hold down shift, pull that in, hold down shift, pull that in. You're gonna hold down shift, pull that up, and then pull this down, and you can just resize this to your liking, however big you want your alert to be. So we're gonna close that out or just minimize that, and you want to go, I'm gonna X out of here, okay? And then you want to go here and you want to go to the hamburger right there, and then you want to scroll down to services, and then you want to enable overlays. You want to connect and put the name of your source here. See how we made it love, but I had it vid, whatever. You can just name it whatever. Then you connect that, you press connect, and then you want to go to your stream, whatever you use to stream. This is for OBS Studios, this is obviously for Streamlabs OBS, and this one's for Streamlabs. This one's for the Streamlabs bot, this is for Streamlabs OBS, and this is for Stream Elements. I use Stream Elements bot, so I signed into Stream Elements. We're gonna sign into the Streamlabs OBS right here. So we're gonna just connect to that. See, it says connected. Cool. So then we want to go back to the hamburger drop down, and we're going to choose commands. Okay, so we're gonna go over here and we're gonna go down and press new commands. Then you're gonna go to advanced commands and you're gonna just name your command. We're gonna name it love. Then we're gonna go here. Well, you don't have to put the exclamation because it's already auto included, so you just put whatever name you want it to be. You go down to action and you add overlay, image, and video, and you press the add button. Here you want to select video to add your video. You browse for your video to find it. Ours is on our desktop. I don't see it. Actually, forgot to say this. If it is a GIF that you're uploading, it will have to be under images. Forgot about that. Then you browse for it. There it is. So here you can put in your width and your height pixels. I put in mine at 1920 by 1080. Here's the duration that you want it to be. I usually put mine at 7. And here you can put in the animation how you want it to come in. Like, I usually put Jack in the box. I like that one, and I like this one, Hinge. And animation, I don't really put an animation, to be honest. Then you always want to hit this save button to save it. Now here you can find all of your commands. So we're gonna go back here to this little pencil to edit, and here is where you're gonna put in your sound. Being as you chose the advanced command, it allows you to put different layers on it. So you go back down to action and you want to find sound right here and press the add button. Then we're gonna browse for it, and mine should be in downloads. Mine is that one. Open, and you leave your default output. Then you want to press save. Boop. And you can test it in your Streamlabs or whatever you use. So we're gonna try and see if it works. See that? Isn't it cute? So it works. So that's basically how you would set up your video command. So when someone puts exclamation point love in your chat, or if you put it for someone else, that will pop up. So they can put love to whoever or whatever, and it pops up like this. Let's see that one more time. It's cute. So You guys, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you learned something. I hope this helps you guys um, to make your streams better. I'm going to be making more streaming videos on how to use software and how to elevate your stream. I'm learning, so I'll just make my videos so you guys can go along with me and learn as I learn. Um, Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and join me on Twitch. My details is in the description. Thank you guys. Enjoy.